This old guy DIY video has to do with my experience with a Sierra aftermarket diaphragm for a 1994 forced by Mercury two-stroke outboard. So about a year ago, a hot chick that I know was having problems with her motor not running well. So I did some troubleshooting and determined that the fuel pump diaphragm had torn. So the previous one looked like the OEM piece, and apparently it made it about 27 years. So a year ago I put this diaphragm into that fuel pump assembly. So the other day she called again, said, hey, this thing is running like crap, just like it did last year. So I took a look. Sure enough, the diaphragm had torn just in one season. So where the OEM made it 27 years, this one made it not even 27 hours, I would speculate. And this time, rather than buy the kit from eBay or Amazon, I went to the website and found the part number. And the part number is F438747. And this is what the diaphragm looks like. And when I lay these things side by side and touch them, you can tell this is a different type of material. This is more of a rubber, almost like inner tube rubber, whereas this seems like some hybrid, less pliable, almost rubber plastic composite type thing. Last time I paid 25 bucks for the kit that included the diaphragm and the fiber spacer, and it had a few O-rings in there that I did not use. So this time when I saw the diaphragm was torn, I went to get the Quicksilver part, Mercury aftermarket. I have it here. I'll reassemble her fuel pump, and I suspect she'll be back in service, hopefully for another 27 years, as opposed to 27 trips around the lake. So I hope this video helped you. Moral of the story is buy Mercury OEM if you need a diaphragm rather than the Sierra aftermarket equivalent, and have a great day.